Okay, we're in part 3 now. If you look, when you installed this kit, Mechanics Tool Kit, you got door tools, spring tools, and wheel tools. The wheel tools is what we use to attach our wheels to, so that we can align it properly to the center and that it stays on the ground and is level with what's called the spring tool. And the spring tool just guides the car. It's what actually contains all the code that tells the left front and right front wheels to turn and to rotate, and the rear wheels to rotate. So what I've done is, the next step is to bring in the spring tool. The recommended version that they said to bring in is the stiff spring, so I brought it in. And in the stiff spring, there are two parts to it. I'll turn the car body off. There are two parts to the stiff spring. There's an upper and a lower. Everything that does not roll, basically, the car doors, hood, deck lid, bonnet, whatever you want to call it, gets attached to the upper spring. The wheels themselves get attached to the lower spring. So we take each one of these 4 wheels and we attach it right here, hit the letter I, and attach to lower spring. It doesn't matter which order it is, you just put them back on there. Right front wheel attached to here, left back wheel attached to here, and left front wheel attached to here. Now all 4 wheels are attached. The last thing to get attached is the car body itself. So leave it off so you can see the spring. Leave it invisible, in other words, hide it. Hit letter attach to and put it on the upper spring. And that's the only thing that gets attached to it. Now with the stiff spring, you can hit the letter Y, and once again you can change the opacity to 0 if you want to, and it hides the entire spring because it's all one color base. But I'm just going to leave it on there for now so you can see it. The car body is now attached. The wheels are attached. The next thing you need to do once you've got everything on here is you need to load the drama script. It says import drama script. Now when you do that, it's going to go to the drama script of the iCar Mechanics Tool Kit, and even though it says LUA AML, it does not seek the AML for some reason. Hit star dot star asterisk period asterisk, and there they are. Press enter, and there you go. This is the script we're going to use for this. It's the stiff spring. This is the stiff spring. So we open it, and now once that's on there, if I come out here, this model acts like this is iClone 5 now. This model acts like an actor. So you can hit follow cam actor, you can follow cam bird, and you do that. And if you right click anywhere in the scene while the stiff spring is selected, you right click on it and say move. Now it'll move forward or backward. We'll move forward first, and we'll click, say here. And your wheels will turn, your tires turn in that direction. I'm going to do it again. Control Z, I don't know what happened there. Let's go ahead and take it out. Okay, just want to make sure. I must have clicked on the wheels. Anyway, go back to the follow cam bird and move forward. We'll do it again. We'll just bring it slightly over here like this. You want your wheels turned in that direction, then they'll straighten out. Then you do it again, move forward, and we'll go over here left a little bit, and the wheels will turn in that direction. And let's say we want to go backwards. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, cam bird. Move backward, and we'll click over here. The car will back up and come back to that location. Don't try and do a 3-point park You'll work yourself to death trying to get it to do that, but the idea is to get the car to move from point A to point B. It will also follow paths if you have a path set up. So if we go in here and we do animation path, go over here, create a path. I'm going to come over here from the point of, hit F for this, F. We're going to put a point underneath the car and start doing a path here. Do animation, create a path. We'll start it from, say, here to here to here to here to here to here, back around, and then have it drive straight towards the camera here. And that'll be the end of it. Now, with the iCar, all you have to do once you're at that point is right click on it, say move forward, and pick the final point on the path that you want to go to. I'm just going to click this once I choose the command, move forward, and click on this last node here. And what it will do, it'll turn to face that path, and it will follow it until the very end without having to say position. You can, once it's finished its turn, you open the timeline, you'll see there's an animation sequence which can be stretched to slow the car down, or you can make it smaller to make the car move faster. And then it's going to come down the path, and it's going to stop right here where the camera's at. And there you go. And that's how you assemble an iCar. It's not that hard. Don't make it any more difficult than it has to be, and you'll get along with it.